Hello and welcome to Fabric by Singhania. As you guys know, we've got a great collection of Kanchi tissue silk. We've got something new and in demand in our store that I'll be showing you. So here we've selected this really gorgeous light gold Kanchi tissue silk here. Now we've got a great collection of Paithani detailing Kanchi tissue here, one of which is this beautiful cross-stitch embroidery Paithani design Kanchi tissue silk. Beautifully done. You can see how perfect the colors look, and it's really nice and vibrant on the base color of this light gold Kanchi tissue silk. Now this could be perfect to create a contrast blouse piece. Even for a lehenga or a sari, these colors would look just perfect on you. Now this fabric that you see here is a gorgeous heavy embroidery Kanchi tissue silk. These are new collections in our store, and we've got great set of collection in the embroidery work. There are beautiful colors in it, one of which is this beautiful cross-stitch embroidered rose design Kanchi tissue silk. You can take a look at the pattern work and the embroidery work. It's very beautiful and regal. You can create gorgeous lehengas with this. A beautiful suit set or an anarkali with this Kanchi tissue silk would give you a very grand look. So if you want to know more about the pricing details of these beautiful pieces, you can comment below or you can follow us on our social media page. Now here we've selected another light gold Kanchi tissue silk. This too is quite new and exclusive in our store, and these are few of our demanded products in Fabric by Singhanias. As you take a look at the threadwork embroidery done on this, it's intricately done in beautiful pastel shades, making it look just amazing, and it's perfect to create any vest coat or menswear kurta. If you're going for something minimal yet grand, these Kanchi tissue silks would look very gorgeous and beautiful on you. Gold Kanchi tissue silk over here is very gorgeous. We've got a great design color here. I've shown you in red color. We've got another one in nice cross-stitch embroidery rose patterns in shades of mauve and purple color. All of the shades and the shading in the cross-stitch embroidery makes it look very different and unique from other pieces of Kanchi tissue silk. This one would be perfect to create a nice suit, kurti, a blouse piece for a beautiful sari. It would be a statement piece in your wardrobe, and if you want to know more about how you can customize these, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Silver Kanchi tissue silk over here in beautiful cross-stitch embroidery. Again, this is a nice Paithani design. These are very exclusive and new in Fabric by Singhanias. These kinds of Kanchi tissues are not easy to find, and they're quite unique here. So as you take a look, this is also quite different and unique from the other fabrics. As you take a look at the Kanchi tissue silk over here, it's got a very nice and beautiful design over it, beautiful floral work and birds stitched across this fabric, making it perfect to create any kind of kids wear outfits or an outfit for yourself. You can create nice frocks with these two. You can create a beautiful blouse piece. You can create nice dupatta as well, and these Kanchi tissue silks would look just perfect and amazing on you. Now this next Kanchi tissue silk we're showing is again a new different shade color that I've shown earlier in the same kind of design. I've shown you in reds and purples. We've got this very beautiful pink shade. Now you can see the shading that has been done through cross-stitch embroidery, beautiful big floral roses that have been stitched across this fabric in nice base color of gold shade. This is quite exclusive and new here, and you can recreate this into beautiful gowns, dresses, even for your kids or for yourself. A gorgeous dress can be created with this, perfect for any puja occasions or any kind of festive occasion. Since there are so many festivals coming across, these fabrics are the ideal choice for you. Now as you can see, this beautiful silver Kanchi tissue silk, again this one is also one of our metallic Kanchi tissue silks here. As you take a look at the embroidery work, it's very beautiful and minimal. All of the work is in thread embroidery and zari work, and you can see light sequin work done across this fabric, perfect to create any kind of lehengas or any dupattas. These kind of fabrics would look amazing on you, and you can create this into a nice modern outfit or into a traditional outfit, and you can stand out in any sangeet, reception parties, cocktail parties as well. Now this is our final shade in that collection of Kanchi tissue with big floral rose embroidery work done. This too is a cross-stitch embroidery, and you can take a look at the shades of peach and orange that have been stitched across. This also would be an ideal fabric to create any kids wear outfits, a half sari, even if you want to create a lehenga and stand out. Creating any Indo-Western outfits with these kind of fabrics would also be perfect. Both Kanchi and tissue silk together gives the perfect blend and mix of traditional and modern. So all of it is just amazing, and we've got a great collection in it. So if you want to see more of this, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1. Now here we're showing you our final piece of fabric in nice silver Kanchi tissue silk. Again, this too would be perfect for any party wear outfits or for any occasions, since there's a festive season and wedding season too. These kind of fabrics would look just amazing on you, and we've got amazing embroidery work done very minimally, perfect to create any menswear outfits, be it a vest, jacket, or even if you want to create a beautiful kurta for yourself. This fabric would look amazing on you with all of this embroidery. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, hit like and comment down for any more details. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media pages. If you guys want to know more about our fabrics, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.